Hello everyone, here we are on our screen, and in this particular video we are going to be exploring how to find perfect self-hosted program for you. So when it's about choosing self-hosted programs, we usually go with Google Docs and those type of things, or maybe multiple posts or the social media or other platforms to find out the programs when you're not trying to go on any platform. So in this particular video we will take a look at that type of things. So usually we use this type of docs in URL vulnerability reward program or bug bounty program. Try to add an amount and you will get multiple things here. Also platforms and those type of links will easily be found here. But apart from these things, we also have to take a look on multiple aspect of it, like we might be looking for a specific range of it. So you can also use Google tools if you know about them. Simply go for any specific time frame like past month. Let's see how many results we have. We have a little bit of results, not much of them, but we have plenty of them obviously. You can try to take a look at this type of programs 3 days ago. You can have a look at them. Mail is here. By the way, when you're trying to look for a bug bounty program, there is many things that you have to check if you're trying to pick a program where you can invest around 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days or maybe weeks, maybe months, right? So when it comes to those type of programs, you also have to take a look at the response time, their triaging team, their scopes, their reward timings, all those type of things, and obviously the functions and all this type of things are also on the top side. So I already made a post about it. I'll attach it here. So these were the few things that you have to take a look on when you're trying to choose a program. And you also know that there are multiple tricks that people usually use, like pick 30, 40, 50 programs and just try to put some sort of automations over them, report some small bugs and see which of them is responding quickly, and this type of things people usually do. So we can also try to do that thing if you are having a very big collection of programs and all. So we usually use this type of docs. Apart from that, we usually also do this type of docs also, like site colon specific type of sites like .io, .ai, this and that. Usually at this point, let's say there is a lot of AI which are recently launching, and also you can also try to find this type of things like recently launched AIs and all, and also use the tools of it, like past month. Let's see. Okay, let's see past week. Do we have any of them? Okay, so this seems quite a active program. 4 days ago, 1 day ago. Maybe I'll take a look at this particular functions of it, this and that, and try to understand what type of bugs, what type of things are also in scope and out of scope, and we can try to take a look at this type of things based upon it. Apart from that, if you're trying to find a proper doc for all these things, I also have made one of the docs that you guys would love to use. Here is the one: bug bounty program, bug bounty, security report, report a vulnerability. All this type of extensions are here, and also the platforms and things have been removed. So you guys can definitely have a look at this doc. I'll also mention this doc in the comment section or in the description. You guys can definitely have a look at that thing, and you will be able to find multiple programs here. Let me clear all this thing and try to find out programs, as I have majorly focused upon the rewards and that type of things. Monetary, rupees, INR, dollar, euro, BTC, hoodie, swag, bounty, this type of things are mentioned. So you guys definitely have a look on this type of programs, but always keep in mind the bounty word will also be mentioned where they are saying we do not give a bounty. So that type of things are also gonna be there. So make sure to read a policy once by yourself. And apart from this thing, if you want a list of a program that you guys would love to explore or hunt on, you guys can definitely join the community group, or you guys can get that post maybe tomorrow, the day I post this particular video, or day after that. I'll be giving you that particular list of it. So I'll also mention that particular list of programs that you guys can try to hunt. I'll drop that in the community group, or apart from that, on LinkedIn also, so make sure you follow me up on the LinkedIn. I'll be dropping the post here, so you guys can definitely find that particular docs in the description. Also, I'll be posting the list of the programs which responds fast, gives the reward and all those things in the LinkedIn and also in the community group. So make sure you are at any of that place, you will get that particular list. And moreover, if you want to do bug bounty live with us and join our live trainings where we hunt on a program, pick that program for 50 days, hunt more than 100 bugs over a program and learn about multiple bugs like authentication, reconnaissance, IDOR and those type of things. So make sure to check out this particular batch, the Elite Bug Bounty batch. It started recently, only 1 week has been done, so you guys can join the ongoing batch. Ignore the pricing here, you will be seeing reduced pricing in the description, so make sure to check that thing out. So I think that was for the video. See you guys in the next video. I'll be posting regularly, I hope so. All the links will be in the description, so make sure to check all of them out and have a good day.